Splash day.
Yeah.
They've got the trailer backed under the boat, trying to get it all supported so they can lift it up and carry us back in the water.
Yeah. Usually takes about an hour, huh?
Yeah, probably from start to finish. Good morning, friend. In the last video, after spending 5 months in Oklahoma, we returned to our sailboat Nyango in Guatemala. Previously, we've returned to fried electronics from lightning, bilges full of water, missing items, and lots of mold. Let's see how she looks this time. But this is the marina and the resort part, which is probably, or it's definitely the nicest marina and resort on the Rio Dulce. And we've stayed here before in the marina. This is the resort office. Everything here is open air.
So when I asked her if she remembered the pool, she said not really, but kind of the pavilion. And I kind of think she's talking about this.
Well, I think she's probably talking because they used to do their homework and stuff under that other one with Elena.
Okay.
And pickleball courts and a little community area. Small little restaurant and bar that's right here in the middle of the Boatyard, which is where everyone comes together on Friday nights and have a big barbecue, and most nights just to hang out.
Brian says maybe Proxima Semana, next week,
Yeah,
we come
Sunday.
and come to his house,
Yeah.
and maybe we could camp. He has a tent. Success. Once again, I navigated the ladder without falling. It's very impressive, don't you think?
Very, very. Well, we're holed out at Nanawana, the Rio, getting some work done, new bottom job. The yard, hopefully have that done in this next week so we can get back in the water. And then we're having one repair done that the yard's done to the keel. We had a little, the seam had been exposed a little bit on the underside from the mold of this keel, and it's letting a little water in. So they did this repair, and hopefully we'll be back in the water within a week. It's so miserable living in the yard. You can't tell on camera, but there's just sand and dirt all over the floor. It rains every single night since we've been here. We've been here almost 2 weeks. It's rained every single night, sometimes during the day. So you get sand all over your feet, track it all over the boat. It's just a mess. And it's hotter than heck because there's no breeze back here from all the boats blocking the wind. And you can't use the air conditioner on board. We can't hardly use our refrigerator and freezer when we're not in the water. And we don't have good shore power electric. And we can't use the toilets, so we have to come off and use the toilets here in the yard, which at 2 o'clock in the morning is not so fun when it's pouring down rain. So we're anxious to get back in the water so we can not have to deal with the crazies of boatyard life.
Gracias. Hello from Nanawana. It's a bright sunny day and we're fixing to go into town. See you later.
I'm gonna pass this bus. Stop it. Whew.
What a workout, what a workout.
We're drenched in sweat.
That was
It's like
hot.
95 degrees inside the gym.
It's like those sweat yoga things.
It's
only-
all open air. It's like 95% humidity. There's not an air conditioner and not even a single fan circulating some air. It is so hot in there. But we got our workout in,
Yeah.
so it was fun.
Yep.
And then the owner of the gym, Leo, made us a nice protein whey shake
Yes.
with bananas. It was delicious. Antonio, bebida.
Gracias.
So this we have to do every day because it rains. And it's not fun, but it's better than having a sunken dinghy, which would be very not good.
Mission is to go talk to the mechanics that are supposed to be working on Jerry and Debbie's boat. Jerry and Debbie are back in Oklahoma. The boat's here in the shop. They had some transmission problems. And they hired some guys to work on it. They pulled out the transmission. But there's not much communication with Jerry. He's been trying to get parts lists so he can order parts to send down here so they can fix it, and he's not having much luck communicating with them or getting them to send pictures.
There's something floating right in the middle there. Oh yeah, maybe. But This is always fun, isn't it?
Splash day.
Yeah.
They've got the trailer backed under the boat, trying to get it all supported so they can lift it up and carry us back in the water.
Yeah. Usually takes about an hour, huh?
Yeah, probably from start to finish getting
Yeah.
here and getting back in the water. It's not a fast process.
Right. But then we'll be floating,
Hopefully.
free floating.
Hopefully.
Okay.